Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. We're out here in the field house this morning for a workout in week 0. It is Tuesday, and I think I said yesterday we're going to do cardio, so we're going to do cardio. So I've got a cardio routine that I'd set up. You know, I've been doing this for a couple of years now, and not straight, but off and on for a couple of years. It's basically they're 20-second intervals, and there's 4 exercises, and you do 2 rounds. 4 sets of 4 exercises, and you do each of those 2 rounds. So what they are is there's air squats, jumping jacks, jump rope, and planks. And you do each one of them for 20 seconds, and you do that for 4 sets, and then that's considered 1 round, and then you got a minute break, and then you do it again for another round. So you're basically doing each one of those 4 times 2, 8 times. So I don't remember how long it takes, but I think 12, 15 minutes, somewhere in there. But there's a 10-second interval in between each exercise so you can set yourself up. Of course, going from air squats to jumping jacks, 10 seconds is adequate. But when I gotta go down and get on the planks, it takes me about that long to get there. Put the jump rope down and get down there, and by the time I get down there, my buzzer's going. And then by the time I get up, my buzzer's gone for the next round, next set, for doing the air squats. So anyway, let's get this done, get some longevity training so we can meet age grace, folks. Let's get this good old cardio done, and we'll go head out on a walk, and we'll come back and chat. Let's do it. Let's hit it. right, so we've got cardio done for day 2 of the 0 week, or week 0 is what I call it, since we're taking an active rest week, break from weights. So cardio routine went really well. It reminded me that I need to probably put some more cardio in my week. I used to do cardio quite a bit. I mean, every Wednesday I did it, but a lot of times when I get to the strength and power phases, I cut back on the cardio because I want to work on the strength and not break down what I did in the weights. But anyway, definitely during the endurance phase, need to add back the old cardio on Wednesdays so we can, get the old lungs back. So it had me laboring pretty hard in my respiratory. Cardio was working, the blood was pumping, because by the end I was starting to break a sweat, so I had to put on all the gear before I went outside, because it's in the low 40s this morning. Yesterday it was low 30s, this morning low 40s, not as bad. It's a nice walk, I was comfortable. So, but anyway, the cardio went really well. Definitely got my heart rate up, did what it was supposed to do, and I enjoyed it. It was fun. I always like doing jump ropes. The jump ropes are the kicker. It's kind of like the air squats definitely get you. The jumping jacks are kind of a break, but it's a good calisthenic. And then you get to the jump rope and that picks it all back up again. And then you get to the plank, which is a very good core exercise, but you're not working, you're not moving. So your heart starts to slow down a little bit. So you're kind of up and down. So it's a good interval, good set of intervals. So anyway, I enjoyed it, had a good workout out of it. And we got Tuesday done. Tuesday's done, so that's day 2. Day 3 tomorrow will be probably a stretch routine, unless I find something else to do, but we'll see. Most likely I'll do a stretch routine and then do the normal walk. This morning's walk was good. I don't know if I talked about it already, but the nice and still, nice and clear, beautiful skies and stars you can see, they're all over. And like I say, no wind, and it was the low 40s. So because I broke a little bit of a sweat in the cardio routine by the end, I had to put all my gear on so I wouldn't get chilled. So I stayed warm with just my regular gloves, because it's in the low 40s. Yesterday was in the low 30s. I'm seeing 60s for lows tomorrow, so we'll see what that's all about. But anyway, we'll let y'all go. Gonna head in, get this day started and done, and we'll be back out tomorrow for another. Out here doing this longevity training so we can meet age with grace. Go get you guys some. You guys take care. Be safe. See ya.